Today we're going to show you how to make the Nerf Fortnite supersized dart. Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan and this is Damaged Darts, where we specialize in converting ordinary Nerf blasters into extraordinary prop blasters from popular video games and movies, and show you how you can do it too. If you like what you see on this channel, won't you be so kind as to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a thumbs up like, and a positive comment below. Today we're going to show you how you can make your very own supersized Nerf Fortnite dart, so let's get started. Alright, so I took the dart, and you have to measure the diameter of the dart, approximately 1/2 inch. And that is, the length of the foam is 5 of the diameters. So the formula is the length of the foam is 5 times D, the diameter, to get the size that you need. I modeled the tip in a free software called Autodesk 123D Design, and then we loaded it and printed it on our TiVo Tornado 3D printer. So here are the dart pieces. I've got my fun noodle cut to I believe 12.5 inches it is, according to this diameter. And again, we are going to leave this available on thingiverse.com. We'll leave the link in the description below if you have a 3D printer to print this out. If you have a larger fun noodle, of course, you're going to want to scale that model up a bit on your printer to match the diameter of the fun noodle that you're using, and just kind of do the math that way when putting it together. If you do not have a 3D printer, we are going to be selling these, so leave a comment in the video below to let us know of your interest in purchasing one of these if you don't have a 3D printer. And you can also check our About tab on our channel to email us there at summitcreative1@gmail.com. I'll get a hold of you and respond pretty quickly and get you all set up on purchasing one of these for your Nerf supersized dart. So all we got to do, because of the barbed section here, is just take one end and push this in to seat everything really well. Give it a spin, and it's all set. There is the supersized dart. I'm going to take it out in the field and chuck it like a football and see what happens. Alright, so I actually decided not to take it out in the field and chuck it like a football. I did kind of test it out, and when you do that, when you grab and throw it, you get this like spiral effect. Not ideal. What I did try out and I'm going to display to you guys is actually simulating a springer. So the air is pushed and it pushes the dart forward. I'm going to show you how that works, and also using my hands as a flywheel grip and fling, and show you how that works. That turned out a lot more ideal, as you would see in a normal Nerf dart. So let's go ahead and try out the air, the springer air pressure. My arm is going to basically be that plunger tube to force that air out. So let's give that a try. So we've got a nice straight flight path. Now I'm going to go ahead and try out building a bazooka style PVC plunger launcher for this, and we'll do a video in the future on that. So I'm going to give that a try. I think it should work out. Let's give it a try for the flywheel fling. Right, before we do that flywheel fling example, I'm going to do the toss one more time, just so you can really see it. I'm going to go at an angle more so you can really see that trajectory of that pressure straight on the back of the dart. So here it goes. Store! So yeah, a lot straighter, a very straight trajectory when you have that air pressure from the back. So let's go ahead and give a try with the flywheel fling effect. Alright, so now we're going to try the flywheel fling. Now what I really wish I had was a pitching machine. Now for those of you out there watching, if you happen to have a pitching machine and build this, we would love to see a video of you demonstrating that. Now if you're going to do that in a pitching machine, I would highly recommend putting some hot glue on the barbs first before you seat it into the foam to really secure it. Otherwise you'll probably get that classic decapitated dart. So do that first, and if you do a video of it, feel free to email it to us. Our email address is in our About section on the channel tab. You can also go to Instagram, and if you have an Instagram page, go ahead and post that on your page and tag us at Damaged Darts with that video with that pitching machine, because that would be really awesome. And if I can find somebody that has one nearby, we'll put that in a future video of trying this out in a pitching machine. But for now, I'm just going to use my hands and fling it forward so you can kind of get an idea of how this would work in a flywheel mechanism. So I'm going to kind of go at an angle here and give that a try so you guys can see that. Use the hands, fling it. Boom! Score again. So there, I've got so that flywheel really gives that even direct pressure to the foam and really gets that straight trajectory with that mechanism. So that worked out pretty good. All right, everybody, hope you enjoyed watching that tutorial on how you can make your very own Nerf Fortnite supersized dart. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, just click the double D icon below. Also, check out some of our other videos. Until next time, I'm Jonathan, and this is Damaged Darts.